Tuh guys, lihat guys. Selamat pagi guys. Good morning, Bang Topido di pagi ini mau jemput ART ya, pembantu Filipina yang datang cuti guys. Tuh, ini ke airport Bang Topido pakai sendal guys ya. Tuh. Nah, jemput ART Filipina, pembantu pulang cuti guys. Mana ini orangnya? Ternyata ini. Hey, how are you? Good morning. Yalah. Thank you. See you tomorrow. See you again. Yalah.
Yala. Hindi naman pang taga-video.
Hey, boy.
Where are you going? You're going to your... Yeah.
You know what? Manila Airport? This is
Yeah.
yesterday. Bye-bye.